Want to record your iPhone screen? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by swiping down from the top right corner, then find the screen recording icon. It looks like a circle with a dot inside. If you don't see it here, don't worry. Just tap the plus icon at the top and then tap on Add a Control. Now find the screen recording option and tap to add it to the control center. Once added, simply tap on it to start screen recording. After a 3-second countdown, your iPhone will start recording everything on your screen. If you also want to record your voice, press and hold the screen recording button, then tap the microphone icon to turn it on before you start recording. When you're done, tap the red recording bar at the top of your screen and choose Stop. The recording will be saved automatically in the Photos app, where you can view, edit, or share it. And that's it! You've successfully recorded your iPhone screen. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.